Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies. Keep watching. First thing we need to do is start off with a medium-sized pot and add to that 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup. Next we want to add 2 cups of sugar. Then 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then half a cup of milk. We're going to bring this over to the stove and heat it up. Now we just turn this on medium-high heat. While that's heating up, I'm going to prepare my cornflakes. You can use cornflakes for this, or you can use rolled oats. It's up to you. Just going to need 3 cups of cornflakes. Just take this, put it into a big Ziploc bag, and let out all the air of the bag. Zip it up. Grab something heavy, and we're just going to smash these into little bits. There we go. And while I have a minute, I want to talk to you about something very important. The midterm elections are coming up here in the U.S., and it's very important to get out and vote early. Turnout is expected to be really high. This is why it's important to vote early. That way your vote gets counted. You don't want to wait till the last minute and show up at the polls and find very long lines, so get out early and vote. Also encourage your friends to do the same. This message was brought to you by the Better Internet Initiative. You can find out more by clicking the link in the description below. And when it starts to boil, stop stirring and let it boil for 1 minute. All right, turn off the heat. We're going to add a half a cup of creamy peanut butter to this, then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix that in until everything is nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our crushed cornflakes. 3 cups of crushed cornflakes, and mix that in. At this point, we're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. All right, so after 10 minutes, it should have stiffened up a little bit, which is good. That's what we want. Let's just take it, and we're just going to take about a tablespoonful and dish it out onto some parchment paper. We're just going to lay them out just like we would lay out cookies before we bake them. When that's all done, just put them in the refrigerator for about a half hour. Okay, after a half hour, bring them out of the refrigerator. You can just take them off of your parchment paper, and you have yourself some no-bake cookies. And now it's time for the taste test. Delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies. These were absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next week. You can use cornflakes or rolled oats. I can't talk. These no-bake peanut...